Hello everybody, it's Mindy and I'm here with a new video. It is a fantastic Fansells find video. So if you've never seen one before, you've not been here before, welcome. These are fun. Fansells has some great stuff. And if you're returning, thank you. Welcome back. Good to see you again. All right, so let's get into it and I'll show you what I have. These, I'll wait on a second. Oh, the surprise is out. The surprise is out. Okay. Anyhow, we'll get to that in a minute. Let's look at the diamond paintings first. Look at this one. It was super cute, right? It's just this cute little hummingbird, and he's like getting his nectar out of the flower. I don't know why he's on a base. I think it's really supposed to be a figurine, right? And I actually kind of thought at first that it was going to be like one of those plastic, you know, the acrylic stand up kind of things, and it's not. It's a canvas. It has 7 different drills. You can tell that it has some big ones here, some 5s. The 7s might be a little larger too, but let's look at them. They come pre-bagged like such, which is cool. I love some pre-bagged drills. Let's see what we have. Interesting. Stuck to the glue in here inside this bag is a regular burgundy drill. This is not regular drills. We have a burgundy one in there. And look, there's that little pull tab thing. I used to get those things all the time. I don't get them so much anymore, but all right. Here, oh, we got a couple different specials. Okay, here's our rhinestones. Pink, a green, pretty aqua, and clear. So we have those. And then we actually have a couple of larger ones. We have a blue, larger like rhinestone, and white pearls. Those are pretty. I guess I didn't see where the white pearls would go. Oh, we have 6s and 7s. Okay. So the pearls will probably go here and the blue ones will go up on the wing. And then we have these lovelies. Love these things. Love them. They're so, okay. They're so pretty on a canvas. And they're going to go down here on the flower. That'll be cool. So that's what we have for that one. All right. First one. We're doing good. Looking good. All right. Put those away. This next one, I could not resist. Couldn't. Here's what a toolkit looks like. Just like that. I always save one to show you. He's adorable. Are you ready? Are you ready? Look at him. Isn't he cute? Oh my goodness. It's a white tiger and he's adorable. He only has 6 different drills. But look at these. We have 6s. We have 5s. We have 4s, which are all larger, and probably pretty much the rest is going to be rhinestones, but I don't think there's a lot of them. Let's look and see what we have. Look at those eyes. Look at the eyes just looking at you. Isn't he the cutest? I'm serious. Wow. Love him. So there's a lot to drill on this. The blue in the background does not get drills, but the whole tiger gets drills except for his eyes and the little bit of his nose. The flowers get drilled. There's a lot to do. All right. Here we go. What do we have? We have a bunch of clear rhinestones, right? Because that is a white tiger, and that's going to make the white color. And then this is like a smoky color. And this one is, it almost takes on a grayish tone. Well, that one does too. So smoky and kind of gray. That's our rhinestones. Oh, these are fun. Oh my. Wow. Look at those. Okay. Can you see that just the way I'm holding it right now? This one over here by my thumb looks green. The one over here looks blue. This one looks purple. And the one back there looks yellow. I love these. Oh my goodness. Those are so pretty. Wow. Where do these things go? Where do they go? They're number 4. Oh, this is awesome. So all through his body here, he's going to get those 4s. And then there's some up here and some over here. Those are fantastic. Those are fantastic. If you guys follow Tima, I think she calls these crowns. I just got some. Those are gorgeous. And then we have these beauties, these iridescent teardrops. Those are gorgeous. Look at the purples, greens, and yellows reflecting off of those. And some big wonkin pearls. Those are going to make his toes his little toes down here. And it's going to make some other stuff too. But I love him. I love him. Okay, I can't say enough good things about that one. Look at, one more time. Look at him. He's adorable. I know you want to put drills on me. I know you do, right? Yeah. Okay, what else? What else? Okay, this one. This one called my name. I mean, it's a dragonfly, right? Look at these long, like tail tentacle type things. Isn't it pretty? Look at the colors. Purples and the red flowers. And it just, look at all of this up the body. This whole body is going to be big gems, right? This one has 11 different drills. The flowers are going to be special drills. On the wings, we're going to get special drills. So it looks like there's 4 or 5 probably special drills. I just loved it. The colors just drew me right in. You know I love dragonflies, right? You know I love dragonflies. All right, let's see what we have. I bet we're going to have red, purple, and yellow rhinestones. What do you want to bet? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, these are pretty too. All right, so there's a cobalt blue. Oh yeah, for around his body. 2 bags of purple. I think those are the same. Yep, those are number 5. 2, oh, they're not red. They are magenta. That's beautiful. 2 bags of that one. That's beautiful. I'm sorry, I'm watching my bags, not looking at what you're seeing. There's the yellow. We got some yellow rhinestones, green, and an aqua color. Beautiful. I think that's it for the rhinestones. Let's see what else we have. So we have these purple marquee. Come on, focus on me, not the dragonfly. I know he's really pretty, but those are pretty. We have the green ones. We have some gold rounds. And then we have these beauties that go on his wings. Those are gorgeous. Look at those. And here, that's on his body. Love it. Love, love, love this. Oh my gosh. I need to do more specials instead of just twice a year. I kind of reserve them all for the 2 special Smashing the Specials events that I do for Andy, but I need to do more of them on a regular basis. You know, sometimes other creators are like, hey, we kind of like a lot of the same things. Christopher Colossat and I do that often. And Miranda and I have done it. So it's interesting. Christopher just did a video. I watched it and he had all of these. This is only one of them. There were like, I don't know, 4. And they're all in the same style, yet different. I picked this one, the pink one. So this is a brown tree with, I think these are like cherry blossoms, all pink. And look at the special drills. Then you got this butterfly kind of flying past the moon. But look at all the specials. Look at, we got the 3s, the 4s, the 5s. Those are all big special drills. 2s, those are special drills. It's got a lot of them. It doesn't have very many rhinestones, right? The tree and some on the butterfly is pretty much going to be the only rhinestones on this whole thing. I do have another one of these coming. I couldn't help it, Christopher, right? This one was on the way, and I had it here actually. It was actually sitting on my bed waiting for me to get to it. And I'm like, oh, well, there's Christopher. He's got all 4 of them. Yeah, Christopher, when you watch this, you'll get a chuckle. I know you will. Okay, so here's our rhinestones. And I'm right. It is just the one. It is just the brown for the tree. Just brown rhinestones for the tree. Then we have these fun little numbers. Oh, I don't know what that is. That's a glob. But these are, they're gold on the top, but they're crystal on the bottom. I never quite understand why they're crystal on the bottom. You don't see that, but I don't know. They're different. Then we have a whole bunch of these pretty little pink teardrops. Those are pretty. We have some yellow, round, faceted, and they're like flat on the top. And then we have a bunch of those. Those are so pretty, right? That is going to make one stunning little painting, isn't it? It is. All right. So that's what I had for diamond paintings, right? Okay. Then you kind of already got a sneak peek. Yes, Fansells has yarn. Yarn. Really? Okay. I had to order some. I had to try it, right? So, okay. It's nice and soft. I'll have to see if I can, it's all in, Chinese here. I can't read any of it. But I believe it was like tencel, maybe like bamboo, tencel, something along that line. Now, it is a fine little yarn. I mean, it's very fine, okay? But man, is it soft, super soft. Hard to tell you how much is in here. I think they're 50-gram balls, if I'm not mistaken. So it's just gorgeous, though. The color on that one is beautiful. And then I got another one. I mean, it's very nice. Very, very nice. The problem, oh my gosh, and it's so soft. So super soft. I mean, the problem being you're not sure how much yardage you get in these. And I mean, it is very fine. I mean, fingering to sport, you know, something like that. But look how pretty they are. It's hard to explain how soft these are. If you were to go feel like a true boo, it's kind of like that. Okay. It's kind of like a true boo. All right. That's my best comparison. And they had beautiful colors. They had more than these. I can't remember how many colors they had, but they had quite a few. It's very nice. I mean, it would be worth, you know, maybe in my next order getting a couple more each time or something. I don't know. All right. So that's that. And then one more item to show you. I saw this and I was like, oh, this is awesome. This is awesome. All right. So let me show it to you. Comes in a box. Comes in a bubble wrap bag. Right. Here we go. Look at this. Look how pretty. It's a yarn bowl. Look how pretty that is. My yarn bowl is completely opposite of this. Mine is a very dark color, very darkly stained. And this one is very, very light. I love this blonde wood. You know, you can put your yarn through here, or you can even put them through the holes if you want, and your yarn flops around in here. Now, I will say this. I would like this, and I can probably do this myself. I would like this smooth. Like the outside is super smooth and shiny. You see that? Inside, though, is a little more natural and a little rough. The top edge is nice and smooth, but this I would like to be smoother. And it might just require like a coat of, I don't know, polyurethane or something inside it to make it more smooth. But yeah, it's beautiful, though. It's gorgeous. So they have yarn bowls. They have yarn. I'm telling you guys, when you go to some of these budget-friendly sites, you have to look up crochet or knit, and they have things. Not all of them, but a lot of them are now carrying crochet, knit items and stuff like that. So check them out. I'll link all these below so you can check them out for yourself. Check out the yarn. I think that's some other varieties of yarn besides this type. Check them out. Do some searching and see what you find. All right. Time for me to go. My husband just walked in the door, and I think we're doing something outside. I don't know. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, everybody.